Now in this class, I will solve some questions in the law of indices chapter, because I have already explained this topic, and I also explained you the formula in this chapter. So again I will recap the formula. The formulas are like this: x to the power m into x to the power n equal to x to the power m plus n, x to the power m division x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n, x to the power m to the power n equal to x to the power mn, xy to the power m will be equal to x to the power m, y to the power n, m, and x to the power 0 is equal to 1, x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x, and x to the power minus m equal to 1 by x to the power m. So these are the formulas which are used to solve the questions in this chapter. So I take up one question here in this exercise. Like we have to simplify this. We have to find the value of this. 4 to the power 1 by 3. 4 to the 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2, and bracket closed, and division 9 to the power 1 by 4. Now we have to find the value of this. So from where we should start? So here you can see that this is division here. So we have to divide first. That is this divided by this. So we can write here that 4 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2, and into it will be 1 by 9 to the power 1 by 4. Because of this division, we will write like this. And next, 4 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2, and this will be equal to, you can write here 3 square to the power 1 by 4. Then, and this can be written as 2 square to the power 1 by 3, and this will be 2 to the power 1 by 3, and 3 to the power 1 by 2 by, and this will be 3 to the power this. Next, now here this power will be multiplied, so it will be 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2, and here it will be 3 to the power 1 by 2. Now this and this are equal, so we can cancel it. Then what is left is this. Now in this you can see that the base of these two numbers are equal, that is 2 and 2. So we can add the power by using the formula. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So it will be 2 to the power 3, 2 plus 1. That is 2 to the power 3 by 3 equal to 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. So the answer of this question is 2. I hope you have understood this question, or you have understood the explanation of this, and you must remember the formula. If you don't remember the formula, then you will confuse in solving these questions. So you must remember the formula. I will take next question. The next question is, we have to find the value of 8a cube. 8a cube divided by 27 x to the power minus 3 and whole to the power 2 by 3 into 64 a cube divided by 27 x to the power minus 3 and whole to the power minus 2 by 3. So we have to solve this. We have to find we have to simplify this. The question is that simplify this whole expression. So first of all, see the bracket here. This is division, this is division here. So first simplify these two divisions here. So because of this division, we can write this as 8 cube by 8 a cube by 27 x to the power minus 3 to the power 2 by 3 and into here also 64 a cube by 27 x to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now 8 can be written as 2 cube and a cube here and 27 as 3 cube x to the power minus 3 and this 64 can be written as 4 cube and a cube, this 3 cube x to the power minus 3 and this is minus 2 by 3 power. Now this can be written as 2a by 3x to the power minus 1 whole cube into 4a by 3x to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2 by 3. Because this is minus 3 here, that is why when we remove 3 then it will be minus 1. So this here and this is 2 by 3. Now next is no, this is not correct here. That is this will be whole cube and this to the power 2 by 3 here and here also this will be a cube and the power of this will be minus 2 by 3. Now it is right. And next here now this and this power will be multiplied 2a by 3x minus 1 and 3 into 2 by 3 into 4a by 3x to the power minus 1 to the power 2 3 into 2 by 3. So here minus this will cut here and this will also cut. Then we have 2a by 3 right here x, because x the power of x is minus 1 here, so you can take x to the numerator and it will be here 2 into here also 4a x by 3 to the power minus 2. Because here x to the power minus 1 is there, so you can take this to numerator, it will be plus, the power will be here plus 1. Now here we can open this bracket, or simply this will be 4a square x square by 9 and this will be 3 by 4a x to the power 2, because this is the 4ax by 3 and I have written here 3 by 4ax, so the power will be positive in this case. So then it will be 4a square x square by 9 into 9 by 4, it will be 16 here, 16a square x square. Now this and this will cut here and a square x square x square and 4 4 is 16. So the answer will be here 1 by 4. So this is the answer of this question. So we have many questions like this. So you will try to solve these questions at home. You will practice it. Then you can solve many questions in this way. And I will solve many more questions like this. And keep practicing at home. And I am giving you the worksheet also. So you will complete the worksheet on time. And then after completing the worksheet yourself, then you will see the solution. Okay, thank you.